Hello, people. So, Ashish is back with another video. Actually, I was working on version 19.3, the latest version of Odoo, and I found something strange. So, the requirement was client is looking for a simple thing that is follow-up reports, right? So I told, yeah, follow-up report is already available in Uru, that's not a problem. And actually that was a demo call. So what happened is I just opened the demo version. As you can see there, right now I'm the demo version. I opened it and I opened accounting. I saw the configuration because in the previous version there was a configuration called follow up, right there. No, it was somewhere here. So I tried, okay, I saw there is no nothing in configuration for the follow up. I thought they might have changed that particular option, so that is fine. I opened the report, I opened the partner ledger, opened open this particular view as well, and a lot of different buttons I have clicked on that time. After that I saw Odoo has completely revamped that option. So under, it's not there in configuration, it's not there under report, it's not there under any of the button. But what Odoo has done, I'll show you what they have done. Actually the report is there, no, not the report, but that particular functionality is there. But how to find that feature is a bit tricky one. So what they have done is they have added that in configuration and settings. So open the configuration settings and write or search for reminders. So here you can see automatic invoice reminders. Once you click on this and save this, again let me click on that, reminders, manager automatic reminders, and here you are. So it's the exact same thing which I was trying to find on my demo call. But unfortunately I need to make that call. That I think there is some issue with that particular environment, or you understand how to make the call when Udo ditches you. Okay, so this is how you can find that automatic invoice reminder. By the way, they have renamed it, so this is nothing but the follow-up report only. Okay, now it works like this. So also, if you can see previous, in the previous version, if we open any of the customer and under the accounting we have that automatic account option, that follow-up option, which is not here anymore. You can see I have clicked almost all the buttons, but nope, it's not there. So they have change the feature, but yes, the feature is there. They have just changed the position of that. Again, just open reminder, and this is what you are looking for. I hope this video is useful for you. In case if it helped you, please put a big fat thumbs up. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you. We'll be back with more such videos.